To leave Cardiff for London. It's currently 22:36. Just decided we'd like to spend as much time with Baz as possible, so we'd change our plans, which were originally to leave tomorrow morning, and we're now gonna leave now. So Baz, we'll see you about 3 AM.
Well, on the way, just Birchgrove Crossroads, almost there. 4 hours to go. Second time to England this week. First time wasn't so successful, second time better. Here we are, we've reached England. Trying not to breathe too much, trying not to get the pollution into our lungs. As they say, always poo on the English side of the bridge. We'll be stopping soon to do that.
It's not on our side, but we've battled through. Got this little trusty gadget here which is guiding our path. So yeah, all set. Baz, we're looking forward to it, mate. We're just ETA 1:53 AM. So we look forward to seeing you.
Just spoken to Rhys on the phone. Not happy at all that we don't arrive for 2 hours. Baz just found out that we're on the way. Not happy. Obviously not as excited as us about the trip. Gonna leave the key into the mat, so we'll have to see how that goes.
Yeah, just obviously, understandably, a bit disappointed that the people we're going to see don't really want to see us. And, it just makes me wonder, well, sometimes why do we bother? I mean,
here we are in the Thames, just crossing the Thames now. Just showing you that we are actually in the middle of London. Bit of London here for you. London at night.
I've been used to everyone. It's a new day, peace has come. Jesus saves, mercy triumphs at the cross. Love has come to rescue us. Jesus saves.
Here we are, just about to go into the house. Very excited. Can't wait to see their faces. Just gonna knock the door now. Breathe in. No sign of any life yet. No sign of anyone coming. Here we are. Here we are. Someone is coming. Someone is coming.
Alright, well, it's 10 to 3. The boys are here, and I think it's time for me to go to bed now. See you in the morning.
It's great to see the boys. See you in the morning.
just had a great night's sleep in Baz's house. We're just off into the centre of London to do a bit of filming, make a nice video for you all. Baz is currently inside with the landlord having some new curtains fitted. I think he got a bit of a telling off because he hadn't been cutting the grass.
Just off to catch the train. Just woken up really. Nice breakfast with Baz. Nice sofa to sleep on. Hope I didn't keep Mansfield up too much with the snoring. Said it was alright. 7 hours sleep and here we go. Here we are on tube. No, not tube, sorry, overground. Going into London to meet Rhys for lunch. He's been busy doing some computer programming during the day. Having a rest now with the boys, so it's going to be good.
Can I borrow your phone?
Yeah, here's my wallet as well. Transfer something like that. Here we are, London Bridge Station, the workplace of Mr. Tom Sparrow. It's good to be here, it's good to see. where the work takes place. Baz, maybe you'd just like to tell us.
Oh, this is what he does. There's someone else doing his job here.
Are you still filming, mate? Here we are. There is Baz's colleague. Baz's colleague.
Who's that, Baz?
I don't work on this London station.
How many platforms are there in this station? 16.
What are your main roles of the station, Baz?
Helping us to serve dispatch.
Do you realise that 16 stations is even bigger than Abergele and Pensand? Platforms. It's the same thing, isn't it? Isn't it?
What are the pros of working for National Rail?
Free travel. Pension.
Oh, pension.
Are you paying into the pension scheme?
Yeah. Too much.
Hoping to be a driver one day, mate?
Yeah, I'm planning for driving the next couple of months.
Oh, mate, you didn't tell me that last night when I asked you.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
85% of people who apply for drivers fail.
Do they? Mate, we've always known you were one of the top 15% though. London bus. Here we are. Ben's in the middle. Bendy bus.
Hope is here. What a joyful noise we'll make.
How'd it go?
Right, here we are in central London in the city. We've got the place where I work just ahead of us here, this building right in front. I work on the second floor. I've come out to meet the boys for lunch. It's great to have them here today. It's always a pleasure.
Yes, you've just joined us here. We've just got off the tube at Westminster. Behind me here, one of the most famous landmarks of London, Big Ben. To my left, you can see there's a protest going on. Something about Sri Lankans. The police are out in front.
Here we are, just standing outside a Welsh Language Society protest. We've come to London to protest for more rights for the Welsh language, more education in Welsh. Here they are, the troops. The Plaid Cymru and the Welsh Language Society have been busy. As you can see, the flags are out, everything's out. Good turnout. Let's see what happens.
Every debt has been repaid. Broken hearts can be remade.
This is Gordon Brown's next door neighbour but one.
What was it, Alistair Darling?
Sing above the storms of life.
Right, here we are. We've just been playing who can get as close to the horse as possible. Me and Mansfield managed it, Baz chickened out. Next round, who can get as close to this guy as possible. So we're going to give it a go. Baz, you're up first, mate. God, we're all doing it, we're all doing it.
Why are these so gay?
I just want my picture, that's all. Still on the arches. Sorry. I'm not allowed. You're not allowed, are you?
Yeah, I went towards this guy with a shield, sword, and sat next to him and he told me to piss off.
Okay, this house here just behind me. It's residence of Prince Charles and Camilla Parker Bowles. Prince William and Prince Harry stay here while not at Sandhurst, while on duty with the regiment. And just behind here, well, not too far away actually, Princess Di lived in Kensington Palace.
Singing through the darkest night. Jesus saves, free at last. What a joy.
Just introduce you to the crew that we've been bringing around all day. There they are. Sound man, lighting man. Got this nice white sheet, just makes every shot look a bit lighter, you know. These guys, they play it back. They just have a look, see how it's getting on. It's quite a lot of people, but we need them, you know.